Hello. So I want to show you the sceneries from Wyoming, Douglas. I was in Douglas and now I'm on US 59 going north, and I saw some large iron exploitation. I think it was a mine. This road is narrow for some drivers, but good enough for me to go as fast as I can, as fast as the truck can. So, nice sceneries. Lots of houses, detached houses, like spread on the hills. Nice. Nice way of living life. Yeah. So driving through Wyoming country. The views, subscribe, share and like. Give me a big thumbs up. Go, press the button, because you're going to see nice adventure from the trucking trips, long haul trucking from Canada to the US. I'm about to finish this trip going to Canada from Nogales, Texas, and soon I'm going to start a new trip going from Manitoba to Texas country, baby. Texas. Back and forward like a train. So look in front, those nice hills, they look so good. Don't forget to comment what you want me to do different. What subjects do you want me to cover? Yeah. So I think I'm going to leave those nice hills behind, and let's see what we're going to see in front. Just some hills here, not so nice like those ones from my left side now that you can't see them anymore, and I can't show them to you. No, I'm not touching the phone. I'm not allowed to do that, and I'm not going to do it. From Europe. I have some interesting videos from Europe when I was driving for an Irish company going all around Europe. 59. Actually, it's Wyoming 59. Yeah. Pretty green. Wyoming, yeah. Wyoming is a green county, green state. Not like Ireland. Have a look over at those ones, the videos from Ireland, and you're going to see why Ireland is called actually the green country, green Ireland. Because the green of the grass is green. I never saw green like that for the grass, like in Ireland. Yeah. Wyoming. So let's see. The altitude here is 3,840 feet. So Wyoming is on a tall ground, 3,800 feet above the sea level, yeah? And it looks pretty flat, although it's so up. 3,800 feet, that's up. Yeah. So I'm going to call it for now, and this will be a short one, but I just wanted to show you how Wyoming is looking in May, beginning of May 2025. A couple of hours ago, when I was in Denver, Colorado, there was a warning for winter storm warning. So I think winter and snow can hit still in May in the US, yeah? Look now. It looks there are some hills, but they are not going up that much. Wyoming. Yeah. It's pretty nice and green. You can compare it to Ireland, green Ireland, yeah. My heart is still Ireland. Dublin. Somewhere there. Okay guys, have a good one and see you in the next one, yeah? Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye, see you.